This is Shoshna from final year CSC in Adishankara Institute of Technology. Today I am here to discuss about the fundamentals of IoT. Fundamentals of IoT means fundamentals of Internet of Things. The topics which we are discussing are evaluation of Internet of Things, enabling technologies, M2M communications, IoT World Forum standardization architecture. Let's see fundamentals. Introduction of IoT. Today, the internet has become unambiguous, has touched almost every corner of the globe and is affecting human life in unimaginable ways. We are now entering an era of even more perspective connectivity where a very wide variety of appliances will be connected to the web. 1 year after the past edition of the cluster book to 2012, it can be clearly started that the Internet of Things has reached many different players and gained further recognition out of the potential internets of the things, applications, areas, smart cities and smart cars and mobility, smart home and assistivity, smart industries, public safety, energy and environment protection, agriculture and tourism as a part of a future IoT. Let's see the figure IoT ecosystem. IoT ecosystem contains three IoT applications desirable to users or stakeholders, IoT enabling technology, and IoT visible marketplace. We are entering on an era of the Internet of Things abbreviated as IoT. There are two definitions. First one is defined as Versmessen and second by Pina Le Opage. The Internet of Things as simply an interconnection between the physical and digital worlds. The digital world interacts with the physical world using a plethora of sensors and actuators. Another is the Internet of Things is defined as a paradigm in which computing and networking capabilities are embedded in any kind of conveyable object. We use these capabilities to query the state of the object and to change its state if possible. In common parlance, the Internet of Things refers to a new kind of world where almost all the devices and applications and appliances that we use are connected to a network. We can use them collaboratively to achieve complex tasks that require a high degree of intelligence. For this intelligence and interconnection, IoT devices are equipped with embedded sensors, actuators, processors, and transceivers. IoT is not a single technology, rather, it is an agglomeration of various technologies that work together intermediate. Sensors and actuators are devices which help in interacting with the physical environment. The data collected by the sensors has to be stored and processed intelligently in order to drive useful interfaces from it. If any processing of data is possible, then it is physical and typically done at either a sensor or some other proximate devices. As the result of main research challenge in to ensure that we get the right kind of data at the desired level of accuracy, the Internet of Things finds various applications in healthcare, fitness, education, environment, entertainment, social life, energy conservation, environment monitoring, home automation, and transport systems. Here are the technologies involved in IoT development: Internet, web, and networking basics OSI model. Networking technologies enable IoT devices to communicate with other devices, applications, and services running in the cloud. The internet relies on standardized protocols to ensure communication between heterogeneous devices is secure and reliable. Standard protocols specify the rules and formats that devices use to establish and manage networks and transmit data across those networks. Networks are built as a stack of technologies. A technology such as Bluetooth LE is at the bottom of the stack, while others such as IPv6 technologies, which is responsible for the logical devices addressing and routing of network traffic, are further up the stack. Technology at the top of the stack are used by the applications that are running on top of those layers, such as message queuing technologies. Networking standards and technologies. The open system interconnections means OSI model is an ISO standard abstract model is a stack of seven protocol layers. From the top down, their application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. TCP or IP or the Internet Protocol suite underpins the Internet, and it provides a simplified, concrete implementation of these layers in the OSI model. OSI model diagram. First layer is physical layer, second is data link layer, third is network layer, fourth is transport layer, and fifth is session layer, and sixth presentation layer, and the final seventh layer is application layer. The TCP or IP models include only four layers, merging some of the OSI model layers that are application, transport, internet, network access, and physical. Network access and physical layer. This is the brief discussion about networking standards and technologies. That's all. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to me.